Trying a new internal door in 5 simple steps. First things first, grab a tape and measure these 3 key dimensions: width, length, and thickness. Now for the exciting part, choosing your door. Start by selecting the timber, colour, and the finish. With over 10 finishes to choose from, there's something for everyone. Whether you prefer modern contemporary, traditional, or somewhere in between, find your perfect door. Maybe you want added privacy or a lighter, brighter space. We have a selection of unglazed and glazed styles to choose from. Not all glazed doors come pre-glazed. Remember to check for this and add glazing to your basket. Now, complete your door by adding handles, locks, hinges, and accessories. Most doors simply need a latch to open and close, but for bathrooms, you will need a privacy lock and thumb turn. Or, for extra security, you may prefer to select a key lock. If the thickness of your doors is 35 mm, we recommend using 3 90 mm hinges, while doors measuring 40 mm deep use 100 mm hinges for added support. Let's recap. So far, you've made sure your new door will fit just right. Chosen the perfect door type for your space in the perfect finish to match. Handles, locks, and hinges sorted. It's time to check out and have your order delivered.